I'm going to make Seviyan bars, which is also known as vermicelli bars. It's a Middle Eastern recipe. It's a dessert, and it's so fun. I can't wait to make this. Now let's get into the ingredients. Alright, so here I have the star of the dish. This is Chinese vermicelli. I had a hard time finding the traditional Middle Eastern vermicelli. It's normally darker, but this will work just fine. You just have to toast it a little bit longer. And also you want to try to crush it while it's in the packaging because you want to break it up a little bit. So we're going to use 8 ounces of that. This is about 8 ounces. And I have 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 6 tablespoons of ghee, or you can use butter, half a cup of sliced almonds, or you can use any type of nuts you like, pistachios, walnuts, pecans. I prefer almonds. And I have 1 tablespoon of dried milk powder, and this is also optional as well. Alright guys, so you're going to want to use a nice size pan. You're going to want to turn your heat on medium low and add your ghee or butter and let it melt. Now that it's melted, you're going to add your vermicelli. You're going to want to stir and break it up as you're stirring. And as you're stirring, keep in mind you're toasting this to get a nice golden brown color. And you're going to want to do this for about 10 to 15 minutes till you get that desired color. And if it's getting brown pretty fast, you can lower your heat to low. Make sure that you are stirring continuously. Don't stop stirring. You don't want it to burn. See that? I was changing colors quickly. Once you get it to about there, you want to add your almonds. And keep mixing. It's going to give your almonds a little toast as well. Now I'm going to sprinkle in my milk powder. Keep stirring. Now, after about 7 to 10 minutes, until you get this nice brown color, your desired look, you're going to add your sweetened condensed milk and mix it thoroughly. Okay, once you have your sweetened condensed milk thoroughly mixed in with your vermicelli, you want to turn your heat off. Then we're going to transfer it into a pan. Alright guys, you're going to want to use a 12 by 7 pan, and you're going to want to pour your mixture into your pan, and you're going to want to flatten it with the back of a wooden spoon. I'm using a flat wooden spoon, and you're just going to want to quickly press it down and flatten. Now that it's nice and flat, you want to let it cool down for a few hours, and then I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is my final product. Looks so pretty, and I cut them in diamond shape. And guys, I actually had a little taste. It's so good. So I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe because let me tell you, you won't be disappointed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Cooking with Mimi. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what to make down in the comments below. I had so much fun making this recipe, and please click that notification bell